Right, what we're doing here, going to do gearbox oil change. So if you can see this, just take a couple of bolts out here under tray, one over there somewhere, so well jacked up. So just take this off and carry on. This is a Vauxhall Vivaro, stroke Opel, stroke Prime Master, whatever it's called, stroke Traffic. Run the traffic, and we'll see what happens. Here we are under the van. So that's your, oops, that's where you fill it up. Some people do take the wheel off to do it easier, but I'm going to get a hose later on. It's going there. It's a plastic plug there, so I've actually just undone it with my fingers. That's okay. And the drain plug is there. So that's what I'm going to do, get a hose. I must admit it's a bit lonely underneath here, you know, a bit depressing, but there is a mouse that runs through now and again that keeps me company. I'll call it Mickey, so it should be here somewhere. But anyway, I look forward to seeing my mate later. So let's crack on and see if I can mess it up. So, ow. Bugger. Right, let's see what comes out. As I say, up north. Oh. Actually, it looks okay. Oh, it looks okay actually. So, just got to undo the filler. Where is it? Up there. So what I've done here, I've run a garden hose into the side of the gearbox filler there. What people do, they take the wheel off, take this from off inside. This is a lot of flaff, and I just thought this is going to be easier. So that runs from there. Oh, lucky I'm not old. Oh god, there goes the mouse. And run up to here. What do? Just fill it up. You can't put any more than 2.7 in these. In the old days, you used to be able to wait for it to overflow the filler level, but you can't do it on Renaults or Traffics. You've got to put 2.7 litres in, and that's the way it is. So you don't let it overflow, just 2.7 metres. Right, crack on. Merci. Right, that's it, 2.7, so on the side of here shows you leaving 0.3 litres left over. That's 1 litre, I've put 2 in and then 0.7, so that's 2.7 with 300 remaining, so that should be it, hopefully.